Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today I want to tell you about our Dynon panel madness that we're having next Monday or Tuesday, depending upon weather, at T11 Alpha right there at KHAO. Phil's bringing our new Dynon panel to us, and we're going to be working very hard in the next couple of days to get our version of getting the old panel out and getting everything labeled. So we've been showing you the pictures of the new panel. Stand by for some more fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now we've been showing you pictures of what's been going on with Phil cutting out the background of the panel and getting the overlays ready and getting everything all connected together so that he can put a new panel together. And today or yesterday, we started taking everything out of the Project Tiger. First, we pulled all the instruments, we labeled everything, then we began to pull out the controls for the engine, and then we'll be removing the rest of the panel. And in the interim, we've been labeling all the connections so we know how they all go back. And as you can see, we've been throwing old wire onto the floor, as well as complete systems are getting bagged up with their harnesses and put in a box, and they're going to be going on eBay very shortly. So we have a lot of stuff that came out of this panel that was in there, and we don't need it anymore, so maybe it can work in somebody else's airplane. But anyway, we've been showing you here, we're taking the pieces out of the airplane, and then this is the new panel that Phil's been working on, and he'll be bringing it out. And this was as he was building it up and getting it all ready. That is the opening for the Trio. These are our ignition switches for our electronic and our mag. This is the back of the panel and all the wiring. So we've been sharing pictures a little bit off and on in the hangar episode flyings as they've been coming along, but we just wanted to let you know that we're having this event next week. It's just in a couple of days. Phil's going to be here with the new panel, Jimmy's going to be here, I'm going to be there, Matt's going to be there, and we're going to be mainly working on getting the panel in the airplane. But while we're there, we'll have everything all hooked up to the back of the airplane and all the system interconnects ready to go, and then you'll be able to ask Phil, socialize with us, drool on the new panel, and be able to ask a bunch of questions that may be pertinent to your airplane. So it's going to be a good resource. We hope you found this useful and informative. We hope to see you there, and have a great day flying your Grumman. See you next week. So here are the cute kittens all being quiet on the sofa on this nice cold day. Thought you'd enjoy it. So take a look at these little beauties. They're 8 and 10 months old each.